In this video, I'll show you guys how to create a header that appears only on the top first page in Google Docs. By default, when you add a header to a document, it shows up on all the pages. Even if you try to remove a header from one page, it will disappear from all pages. That's not ideal, right? Here's how you can fix it. Double-click on the header, copy the text and remove the header. Go to the first page and double-click the header again. Check the box that says different first page and paste the header text or type in whatever you would like as your header, and that's it. Now your header will only appear on the first page and the other pages will stay header free. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.